Humphrey Dowling, Abbey Leaks. I work with Dowling Quarries. I'm a director with Dowling Quarries, and we have the AggreSand 10 year now, nearly going on 11. Primarily for washing sand and gravel for our own concrete business, which we use all the products for, and we sell externally as well. I replaced a model that we had from PowerScreen, which was actually 13 year old when we put this plant in 2013. Basically, it was called the PowerScreen Mobile Wash Plant. That was a 10x5 screen box and a dewater all in one chassis fed with a commander, and that done a lot of work. I used to give 2 aggregates and give 2 sands and an oversized material, which that plant done a lot of stuff. So that's kind of what made us go back to Terex, because that plant had proved itself, and this one really did too. So initially it was that it was a modular plant, and that it can be all come and be built in a very short space of time, plus all the components can be replaced. The plant is 10 year old now, and has performed well over the 10 years. We have a lot of product gone through the plant, a lot of difficult material which we actually didn't think the plant would handle it, because the pit was a lot cleaner and it changes as you go back, and it handled every bit of it. We've no log washer in this plant. It actually really done well, and we've a lot of tonnage gone through this. Maintenance wise, it wouldn't have took a lot of stuff. We basically were able to get the parts very easy. So maintaining the plant has been very easy, really. All the components are very local, as well as you can get them from Terex very fast. You can pick up the parts anywhere, and very easy to access everything on the plant, and maintenance we do ourselves. So look, it's been very good to us that way. Wear wise on the cyclones has been very minimum as well. Plant definitely, it's served us so well, it'll be very hard not to go back to Terex again, and I'm sure it'll be very easy to do a deal with the lads there. The same people are there that I dealt with before, and that's a great thing too.